The Euplokeer 2T0150-30-195 Gas Strut set delivers strong lifting force that reliably supports recreational vehicle awning arms without sagging. Its extended length of about 26½ inches and compressed length of about 15 inches make it well suited for many standard awning setups. The pair is engineered as a direct swap for several common Solera and compatible part numbers, which simplifies finding the right replacement for older awning cylinders. Installation is straightforward, typically needing only a basic flathead screwdriver, so many owners can handle the job themselves without special tools. The 10mm eyelet ends provide a secure, rattle-free connection to existing brackets when matched to the correct original equipment specification. Overall build quality feels solid for frequent opening and closing, giving recreational vehicle owners smoother, more controlled awning movement in everyday use.